Today we'll be looking at another PSLE maths question from 2017. Let me read the question out. Jess needs 200 pieces of ribbon, each of length 110 cm, to decorate a room for a party. Ribbon is sold in rolls of 25 meters each. What is the least number of rolls of ribbon that Jess needs to buy? So the length of one roll of ribbon is 25 meters, and 25 meters is equivalent to 2,500 centimeters. We also know that the length of each piece of ribbon that Jess requires is 110 cm. From the block diagram above, you can see that the total length of one row is equals to 2,500 cm or 25 meters. Each piece, which is represented by this square, is 110 centimeters. The number of pieces of ribbon, each 110 centimeters, that Jess can cut from each row would be 2,500 centimeters divided by 110 centimeters. This will give us 22 pieces of ribbon with 80 cm of excess ribbon. This excess remainder ribbon of 80 cm is represented by this red portion here. Because it's only 80 cm, it's insufficient to form a piece of ribbon that Jess requires. We know that the roll of ribbon provides us with 22 pieces, and therefore the least number of rolls of ribbons that Jess needs to buy would be 200 divided by 22. That will give us 9.09, and we have to round up, and this will give us 10 rolls. We have to buy 10 rolls because it is not possible to buy a fraction of a roll, and 9 rows would be insufficient. From the block diagram, we can see that each row provides 22 pieces. If we only buy 9 rows, which is represented by the green portion, this will provide us with only 198 pieces of ribbon. Since we need 200 pieces, we will still be short of 2 pieces. So therefore, we have to buy an additional row, and that will be 10 rows in order to have 200 pieces of ribbon that Jess requires.